Hi, I am Margin C. Cafe from BSID 2-1, and here is my final oral exam 2. And the first one is GCash. GCash is a mobile wallet service in the Philippines that allows users to pay bills, send and receive money, shop online, and manage their finances through smartphone app. It also offers features like GSave, saving accounts, GInvest, Invest platform, and insurance products. And for the advantage of GCash, the first one is wide acceptance. Widely accepted for transaction in Philippines, including payments for ultimate shoppings and utilities and more. The second is comprehensive services. Offers additional financial service like savings, invest, and insurance. The third is the ease to use, user-friendly interface with quick transaction process. And the last is promotions and rewards. Frequent promotion, cashback, and rewards of users. And for the disadvantages is the regional limitation. Primarily useful with Philippines, limited international use, security concerns as any digital wallet. There are potential risks of fraud and hacking. And the last is the dependence on internet. Requires a stable internet connection for transaction. And for the Maya formerly or PayMaya is another mobile wallet service in the Philippines providing similar functionalities to GCash. Users can pay bills, transfer money, shop online, and even get a virtual card for online transactions. Maya also includes features like savings and credit. And for the advantages of Maya, virtual card provides a virtual card can be used for online transactions, including international websites. The second is wide range of service, includes savings, credit, and even physical card for ATM withdrawals and in-store purchases. The third is user-friendly, easy to navigate the app interface. And the last for the advantages is the reward and promotions, regular promotions, discounts, and cashback offers. And now for the disadvantages. The first is the regional focus. Like GCash, its primary usefulness is within the Philippines. And the second disadvantages is security risk. Vulnerable vulnerable to the same security issues as other digital wallets. And the last is the internet requirements. Transaction depends on having an internet connection. So the e-wallet is more prone in fraud or hacking. And the last is the PayPal. PayPal is globally recognized online payment system that allows users to send and receive money, pay for goods and services, and conduct financial transactions online. It supports multiple currencies and widely accepted around the world. And for the advantages of PayPal, the first is global reach. Accepted in many countries and supports multiple currencies. The second is security. Strong security measures and buyer protection policies. And the third is the integration. Easily integrates with numerous and e-commerce platform and services. And the last for the advantages is the versatility. Can be linked to bank accounts and credit cards and debit cards for flexible transaction. And for the disadvantages, the fees. First is fees, transaction fees, particularly for currencies conversion and international transaction can be high. Second is the account limitations. Restrictions and limits on accounts can be sometimes be problematic. And the last for the disadvantage is customer service. Users occasionally report issues with customer service responsiveness and problem solutions. So that's my final oral exam 2, and thank you.